Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is so tasty and super easy to make. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need to grate some beetroot. I'm using one that is boiled. Now I'm adding 3 eggs, separating the yolks from the whites, and I'm adding only the yolks. Now adding some salt and 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mixing it all together. Now I'm adding flour, and I'm using only 80 grams. Now let's mix the whites together with the electric mixer, and I'm adding half a tablespoon of sugar. Now I'm adding spoon by spoon and mixing the whites into the mixture. Now let's spread it into a pan with some baking paper and let's spread it out. Now I send it into the oven in 180 degrees for about 13 or 15 minutes. When it's all done, let it sit and cool down. Meanwhile, let's prepare the ingredients. I'll cut some dill and 1 pickled onion. Pickle into small pieces. 300 grams of cream cheese, and I'll add these 2 ingredients and mix it all together. And now let's spread our cream cheese everywhere. I'm using salty fish that was previously salted, but you can use any type of meat that you like. And I'm placing it at the top of the roll and now rolling it. Let's put some plastic wrap and let it sit for an hour in the fridge. Now let's cut some bite sizes portions and try it out. But first of all, let's plate it beautifully. It looks amazing and tastes even better. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.